Friends, this is my new vlog, which is a very old one. Actually, I had recorded in the month of March. This was a March afternoon when I had gone to South Mumbai Peda Road, the NFDC building. I was invited to watch the premiere of the Odia film Nabakalebara. Here you can see the lady in the blue sari. She is Bini Samal, the producer director of this historical film based on the story of Lord Jagannath and Jagannath Sanskriti, which is so dear to every Odia, to the Odisha state. And this film was her dream project, and she worked very hard to produce this film. Here you can see some of the people very famous from Odisha. This is Subhas Sahu in the white shirt, who is a famous sound engineer of Bollywood. Many awards he has won. And this is Dolly Jenna, the pretty lady in the blue t-shirt, and she is a famous actress of the Odia film. Also, she has acted in Bollywood film like Razia Sultan opposite Dharmendra. So many people from the Odia technicians who work in Bollywood were there. Here's the poster of Nabakalebara. Nabakalebara is the story of how the Lord, discards his the statue, the form that he has, Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. They discard their old forms and get into a new statue, a new avatar, new Daru Brahma. Every 8th or 16th year, which year has two, Ashad Mas, two Ashad Mas according to the Hindu calendar. Here in the background, you can see the pictures of great veterans of the Bollywood industries of the late, the golden era, black and white era, and the people who have contributed so much to Bollywood. Here is the photograph of, this is, I think, the costume designer Bhanu Athaya, who is the first one to get the Oscar award from Bollywood. And here you can see the people mingling with each other. All the Odias had got together there. It was a time for me to meet and greet a lot of people, and then we had some tea and snacks and headed for the film to watch the film. And it was a great experience watching the story behind why the Lord discards his present form and gets into a new form, and how his soul is transferred through a ritual to the new form at the Puri Jagannath temple, which is very, very mystic. There's a very deep story into that. But the watching the film was an emotional affair for each Odia of us, because most of us didn't know why this ritual started at all. And here you can see we are clicking pictures with each other, and the NFDC building is actually the National Film Development Corporation building, which houses two very important aspects of film industry. That is the National Museum of Indian Cinema, NMIC, a museum that showcases the history, legacy and priceless efforts of Indian cinema. It also houses the National Film Heritage Mission, NFHM, dedicated to the conservation, restoration and digitization of landmark Indian films. So it was an experience for me also to visit this place. And this is a picture of me and Bini together. We share a very good rapport, and I have worked with many of our productions in Odia films and serials before. And so it was a great moment of reuniting with your colleagues of the past, of my career. And we had a great time watching the film, and we really came back very heavy emotionally, remembering our heritage of the Jagannath Sanskriti, which is so dear to every Odia.